differently. Okay guys, so I'm gonna unbox this package. I got a few items from Amazon, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I look like we're gonna be fine. I'm not going anywhere today. Okay, I got this women multivitamins. This is a new one. Well, I've never used this one before, so I decided to try it. This is the Centrum Women Multi Gummies. And it says it supports immunity, energy, metabolism, and healthy appearance. I hope so. And this is a tropical fruit one. Oh, there's 100 in this one. And so I'll take these in a bit because I have not eaten yet. And I also got some stickers because I was thinking of creating a little portfolio. These are some, what? I don't remember. I think these are like motivational stickers. Okay, so these are motivational stickers. Yes. And how much are they? 300. I love stickers. Ooh. So okay, so it's supposed to start earning around 1. Okay, so the last thing I got are these earplugs. Because when I'm sleeping, I really don't want to be hearing anything, so I decided to give it a try. And I could use my earphones, but I don't want to be listening to music. I don't want to be listening to music whenever I'm sleeping. It comes with a small case. Oh, this does not work. I'm still hearing stuff. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get something to eat because I literally have not eaten anything since I woke up. Like, I've just been going around and cleaning and stuff. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is my first meal of the day. This is terrible. At least I'm drinking tea because I usually don't. It's good, but let's see how it treats my skin or my body in general before we, you know. It's really sweet though. It's really sweet. Okay guys, I'm gonna chill for a bit. I found this show on Netflix. I think it's new. It's called The East Palace. So it's interesting. So I'm gonna chill and watch that. Hey guys, so it is currently the next day. Today is the World Cup final. Okay, so it's currently, yeah. Oh my gosh. Currently 9:05. Yesterday I did not have much else to do. Like, I literally just spent the whole day at home and whatever, which I already knew I wasn't gonna go anywhere, but I I literally did not do anything yesterday, but I got up, I did my little cleaning and took a shower and all of that, and then after I ate and did it basically in the order you guys saw the video yesterday. Basically all I really did, and then I just chilled for the rest of the day. I finished watching The East Palace on Netflix. I'll give that show a 10 because I don't know, it's one of the best Korean movies I've watched in a while. Also, if you guys have not watched, you guys should definitely watch Teach You a Lesson. That one was really good too. I really enjoyed that show. Yeah, I basically just chilled yesterday and I didn't do anything else, so I just did not pick up the camera again and whatever. However, I'm gonna be using the stickers today so I'm gonna be decorating my journal that I have not written in like months. I find it really hard to journal, if I'm being honest. It is just so hard to journal. Like, I just find it, and it's not that it's hard, but on occasion I'll find it weird to just be writing my feelings in a book where, you know, anybody can pick up a book and literally just read it. But it's like, do I want to write my stuff down in a book? I mean, I probably could have gotten, you know, one of the journals with the locks on it, but I still find it weird that I'm going to be writing my feelings and thoughts in a book, or what I want to hold personal to me in a book. But then again, it's like a form of, you know, just self-help, I guess. Just write what you're feeling and whatever. But then again, it's like, so do I really want to write my feelings in a book? And then sometimes I'm like, I'm gonna write down my feelings, I'm gonna write down my thoughts, and I don't know, I do journal, but I feel like I still don't feel that freedom because I'm just thinking that somebody's gonna take my journal and read it, if you get what I'm saying. But I'm gonna be decorating it with some stickers, and I'm also gonna be decorating my iPad as well. I had another case, but because I use this one more, great work. While there's life, there's hope. I like that one. Okay, so I like these ones. I'm gonna put these ones on the back, these two, and I'm gonna do these ones on the front. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. They're not perfect, they're not in this overly aesthetic order, but this is my journal and I love it. And yeah, it just has some motivational stickers. While there is life, there is hope. Second, don't quit your dreams. Be positive. Life begins when fear ends. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Loosen up, live well, love lots, and laugh often. And on the back it says, trust your gut. Dreams don't work unless you do, and be you, not them. Okay, let me take a look at the other stickers so that I can decorate this thing. And some places. I like this setup. Can I do them in the same order? Let me see. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. It's cute, I love it. And this is the back. I only did 3 stickers for the back. So these stickers say a lot can change in a year, which is so true. You only fail when you stop trying. Nobody is perfect. I'm nobody. Small steps every day. Don't give up. Smile. Believe. Dreamer. Today a reader. Tomorrow a leader. It's gonna be okay. Always stay humble and kind. And the ones on the back says strive for progress, not perfection. Do one thing at a time and do well. Every day is a new chance. It's really cute. I love it. And these are my 2 decorated things. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you're new, and if you've made it to the end of the video, please leave a positive comment below, and I will see you in and for those who are not new, thank you guys for supporting me. I really appreciate it, and just stay tuned. Like, I'm gonna be trying to post more videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next